This is my 2000 YZF600r motorcycle. You can see I had to make some minor mods to the seat because it's kind of getting horribly worn. Call of Duty. I just put on a brand new RS3, if I'm saying that right, Yoshimura pipe slip-on exhaust. And my bike is pretty much making a noise that's not normal to the 600s that I know of as far as the YZFs are concerned. Nothing else has been modified. I did try to do a wheelie, and that's when the noise started coming into play. But here goes. It's like this faint hissing kind of, it's not much of a rattling noise, but it sounds like something is possibly spewing out or rubbing up against it. It's just louder than it used to be that I can recall. And it sounds like it's coming from this side or inside the cam, what have you. Also sounds like it might be coming from here, but I know the gearbox or the clutch box on these guys are pretty darn loud. Yoshi exhaust sounds pretty freaking awesome. It's just that noise just cuts off the entire beauty of the bike. So if anyone can help me figure out what exactly it is, I'd greatly appreciate it. Again, 2000 YZF600r. Only modification is the Yoshi pipe on it. And then there's that noise again.